Tell me it's one time, but I'm not fitting, 'cause you're not by my side. And as I ride, I thought I saw you leaving, carrying your shoes. Decided that once again I was just dreaming of bumping into you. It's 3 in the morning, and I'm trying to change your mind. Left your multiple missed calls and took my message to reply. Why'd you wanna call me when you're high? Why'd you wanna call me when you're high? Somewhere darker, talking the same shite. I need a partner. Well, are you out tonight? It's harder and harder to get you to listen, or I get through the gears. You're capable of making all right decisions and having bad ideas. Now it's 3 in the morning, and I'm trying to change your mind. Left your multiple missed calls and took my message to reply. Why'd you wanna call me when you're high? Why'd you wanna call me when you're high? Well, I can see you here wondering I'm mine. So it feels like I'm getting out of time. I haven't found what I was hoping to find. Said you gotta be around me, then I haven't every night. And you started to bother, baby, why'd you wanna come?